Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Battlefield 6 and you keep getting this error and unknown error occurred, DICE online error with error code 223004S, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Battlefield 6 easily. So first off, you're going to go ahead and close out the platform that you have the game on. So if you have it on Steam, you're going to close Steam out, and if you have it on EA, you're going to close EA out, and after that you're going to open up your task manager, and here you're going to go into your processes, and then you're going to search for either Battlefield 6 or EA here. If you have any of those running, just close them out, and after that you're going to open up your game's platform, Steam or EA app. You're going to go ahead and open up your platform, and now I'll show you how to do it on Steam first, and then I'll show you how to do it on EA app. So you're going to right click on Battlefield 6, go into properties, go into install files. Here you're going to click verify integrity of games files. Now I'll show you how to do it on EA. You're going to open up the EA app, and then you're going to go into your library. You're going to go into your game. I'm going to use Battlefield 2042 as an example. You're going to click on manage, and here you'll have the repair button. So you're just going to click repair on here, and once you click repair, your game will repair itself. And now when you try to play Battlefield 6, you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.